Welcome to Maui, probably West Maui's most underrated resort. I'm here at the Napili Kai and I'm gonna tell you why you might wanna consider this for your trip. Hi, I'm Erica with the Hawaii Vacation Guide. I've got Jordan behind the camera. Let's show you around. The reason why we love this is because the location could not be better. I love Napili Bay. I think it is, man, one of the best beaches on the island. We love coming up here. We always have some great turtle spotting, and this location cannot be beat. It is excellent for sunsets. This is just one of the most, I don't know, picturesque beaches. We took someone here, they hadn't been to Hawaii before. We took them out to Napili Bay and they were just blown away by the beauty. And I really feel that, and that's why I love staying on this beach. And the other thing about the Napili Bay location is it really has that vintage charm that you don't see a lot of other places around the island. Nothing is taller than a coconut tree. I think the Napili Kai was the first resort built on Napili Bay. It's just such a charming spot. Free. You heard that correctly. If you are staying here and you go out to a meal at the Sea House restaurant, which is on property, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and you purchase an adult entree, your keiki get to eat for free. So that's such a big perk. It's an awesome way that they just make you feel really welcome with kids. The food is actually very good here. I will say the neighbor gets all the attention for breakfast, but we really love breakfast here. It has a beautiful view. My mom loves coming here for happy hour or pauhana. And yeah, just everyone we brought here has really enjoyed the food and the ambiance and the view. So it's a good restaurant. The family suites, how could you not appreciate the family suites here? You would get a kitchenette. And when they say kitchenette, they really mean like a full, slightly smaller size kitchen, right? We have a full refrigerator. We have everything we need. We could easily eat many meals in there. However, I'm not cooking because kids eat free at the Sea House. Remember, I told you that. But these suites, it's plenty of room for everyone. It has the amenities you need. It is just so nice.
Beach. I love to butt myself into Erica's review videos, right? But I can't help it. I love Napili Kai. I love like the big lanais and the big rooms. The family studio is great. I love that we can just like spend the whole day here in Napili, and especially too because we usually come to Napili Beach in Kapalua and we have to park and fight over that and try to figure out the best time to come. And it's nice to actually stay here, put down our bags, relax, and just like have the beach right there. It just makes it really convenient to know like your day is all set. You know what I mean? Anyways, back to Erica. Beach, pool.
The one comment I get over and over that people don't like about Hawaii is the resort and the parking fees. And I get it, those can add up. Sometimes they can be $50, $60, $70 a night, even more. That adds on a lot to your vacation, but in the Napili Kai, they don't like to nickel and dime their guests. That's on their website. They have no resort fees and no parking fees. So the price you see is the price you pay plus tax, right? Okay. And before I get to the last one, which is a good one, let me just remind you that we have a full where to stay section on our website, thehawaiivacationguide.com. It'll give you lots of reviews, including this one, so you can make a very informed decision because where you plan to stay eats up most of your vacation budget, so you definitely want to get that one right. All right, what is there to do here? Thanks for asking. There is plenty to do up in Napili and Kapalua. So whether you want to snorkel and go out to Napili Bay, Kapalua Bay, or even Honolua Bay, which is a marine life preserve, really beautiful, stunning snorkeling there. You also have zip lining, which I did. It was super fun. I really enjoyed it. much more than I actually expected to because I don't love heights that much. You can also walk the coastal trail, which is very, very beautiful. You get some like really rugged coastal scenes and views, and it's really a nice spot. And if you're interested in ATV tours, they have those. And let's see, there's the farmer's market. There's just a lot of really nice stuff to do up here.
Guys, around the corner. Henry's coming in fast.
And this is the good one. If you are visiting in the summer or over the holidays, they have keiki clubs, they have kids clubs, so your kids get to have fun, you get to have fun, then you guys get to come together and have fun. I mean, that's just a win-win. Not many hotels offer these days, so it's just such a nice feature to have. It really shows they are very family friendly. And I mean, the best part, they're included in your stay. Who doesn't love that? So if you are interested in the Napili Kai or any places to stay on West Maui, make sure you head to the HawaiiVacationGuide.com. We have where to stay resources, we have things to do, we have basically everything to get your Hawaii vacation planned. All right, I gotta go throw these kids in the pool. See you later. All right, I'm going, we're doing it.